Cool. So I'm Abe, and I'm going to present the app that Nicole, Alana, and I developed for our final project called Jarts. All right, so introduction. So the main user base for Jarts are people who are interested in starting an arts and crafts project, develop their current arts and crafts skills, share arts and crafts projects with others, or explore new projects. So Jarts provides both inspiration and a community for users interested in arts and crafts. This community can help novice users become experts. It could let experts try out new things, as well as share their knowledge with others. So one app that we looked at for inspiration is Pinterest. What we like from Pinterest is the fact that users can search for ideas. Users can click on images to share it with others or to get feedback about this image through comments that other users leave. And inspiration for Jarts from Pinterest is we added a search field, kind of like Pinterest, that would let users search for specific projects. We added the ability to add comments to projects. And our homepage is image heavy, kind of like Pinterest's. Another one that we looked at that was pretty cool was Creative Bug. We liked that it had a really bright and colorful, engaging interface. And we thought that this app embodies what we want Jarts to do well, which is be an app that allows users to share projects and create that sense of community. And inspiration for Jarts from Creative Bug, just being an arts and crafts oriented app, we made a pretty bright orange theme that we'll show you in a minute. And much of Jarts functionality is similar to Creative Bugs and Pinterest in that there's a search feature, you can save projects, and you can leave comments in the form of reviews. All right, so now I'm going to go into our demo of Jarts. So the first main feature that we wanted to show is the homepage. So after logging in, users are directed to this homepage where they can browse and search through projects, and then you can also like projects. So each project has an image, a title, and a description to it. So I'm going through projects that are already pre-uploaded, and now I'm going to search for a project through the search feature, just a keyword search, and found an appa painting. Cool. All right, so the second feature is the details page. So after you click on a project post, you can get to more details for that project. And from this screen, so I'm going to click on the Simba painting, you have the ability to add this project to your list of favorites, or you can comment on it. So I'm going to leave a couple comments here, and for each comment, you see the comment text, you see the author who left that comment, and then there's also a timestamp to see when that comment was made. So I left a couple comments right there. Cool. All right, I'm going to go to the next feature. So the third main feature is the ability to upload your own project. So from the home page, if you click on that plus button up there on the top, it'll take you to your camera roll, and you can pick an image from your camera roll to have as the image for the project. Then you also add a title for your project, and then you provide a description. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm uploading a cool elephant painting that I made, called a colorful elephant, done with acrylic paint as a description, and that shows up right on your homepage for other people to like or comment on or add it to their lists. All right, I'm gonna go on to the next feature. Sorry, the slides are a little bit slow. So the fourth and final main feature we wanted to showcase is the profile page. So if you click on the profile image in the top, each user has their own profile page, and here you are able to look at the saved projects that you save yourself. And then you can also access your chats so that you can chat with other users. So here are a bunch of paintings that I thought were cool and saved. I thought they were cool because I painted those. Cool. So here is the full features list that we started with from the beginning. So we had 12 features from create an account, log in with their personal account, view general homepage, click and view details of a post, all the way to just setting up and implementing Firebase. And we were able to actually implement all but one of them completely. So the 11th feature, users are able to review other users' posts. This is partly completed. So right now, we were thinking that this can sort of be done through the liking other posts schema that we started off with. Um, but we just weren't able to get through the whole crux of this, but we were able to get the liking part, which was pretty cool. Um, so in terms of next steps, first one would just be, figuring out how to implement that one feature that we weren't able to do. And just, I think that can be done by adding on to the liking feature that we already have. Something that else that we thought would be cool was being able to create your own lists or collections. So right now, if you save a post, that they all get shoved into one list, but it would be cool if you could name your list and have multiple ones of them. Like if you want to have a paintings list, or if you want to have a sketches list, or whatever, that would be a cool thing to implement. And then also allowing users to share a whole collection with others. So right now in the chat feature, you can send individual images, but it would be cool if you would be able to share a whole collection or list. Like if you had a paintings list, if you could be able to share the whole list with another user, that's something that we'd want to have in our next steps. But yeah, that was our project. Thanks for the dope semester, and we'll see you next semester, Mark.